Welcome to the video. Here I will demonstrate how to use Sublime text editor and do a simple Python program. Download Sublime text editor from link in description or type the following link in any browser. Save files with suitable extensions. To run the written code, first save the file, then press Ctrl B. So let's write a Python code to print Hello World, then save it with suitable extension and run it with Ctrl B. Thank you for watching Smiling Face. We will use this text editor in our future videos based on programs in various languages, like C, C++, Java, Python. Stay tuned and support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel Cyber Hacker.